अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट कंसेप्ट ऑफ स्पीशीज़, पॉपुलेशंस एंड कम्युनिटीज़। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ तक स्पीशीज़ का ताल्लुक है, स्पीशीज़ जो होता है इट्स द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन एंड इट फॉर्म्स द बेस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। और स्पीशीज़ एक ऐसी एंटिटी होती है डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स की विच इंटरेक्ट अमंग with each other as well as reproduce among themselves to produce the similar kind of organisms। यानी स्पीशीज एक ऐसा ग्रुप होता है डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स का which have interactions among themselves as well as they reproduce or interbreed among themselves to produce similar kind of living organisms। और जो स्पीशीज होती हैं, the individuals in a species have similar characteristics and they are capable of interbreeding। Similarly, जो species के individuals होते हैं, they are characterized by the fact that they are reproductively isolated from other groups। यानी a species or the members of a species, they are reproductively isolated from other groups or other species, which means that the individuals in one species are incapable of reproducing with organisms in another species। This is the adequate definition of species। लेकिन when we look more closely, जब हम ज़्यादा keenly देखते हैं और ज़्यादा deeply देखते हैं, तो there arise some problems while defining the species, because there are some concepts which are good for sexually reproducing organisms। These species concepts cannot be generalized for those which reproduce asexually। यानी एक ऐसा organisms का group which does not show sexual reproduction, for them the species concept, a species concept which works good for them, it cannot be generalized, it cannot be used for those species which are reproducing asexually। For example, we see that there are some organisms like bacteria, some plants, they do not reproduce sexually। in them, यानी वहाँ पे हम क्या देखते हैं कि there are some diagnostic traits which are used, which are needed to distinguish them from closely related asexual lineages or species। So their distinction, or we can say they are distinguished from one another by means of some closely related diagnostic traits, as this concept of species which we applied above for sexually reproducing organisms cannot be applied for them, because there are no sharp boundaries between these species। So here हम जान गए कि जो स्पीशीज़, अगर हम समराइज़ करें यहाँ पे, हम यहाँ पे जान गए कि जो स्पीशीज़ होती हैं ये एक ऐसा ग्रुप होता है इंडिविजुअल्स का जो विच possess similar characters, which are in interaction with each other and which reproduce with each other, are capable of interbreeding among themselves to produce the similar kind of organisms। So the group of organisms or individuals of a species, they are reproductively isolated from other individuals of another species। उसके बाद है पॉपुलेशंस। तो पॉपुलेशन भी एक ऐसा ग्रुप होता है स्पीशीज़ का, इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ ए स्पीशीज़ का, which live in a given area or region at a particular instant of time। So population को हम define कर सकते हैं, ये it is any group of individuals of same species which live in a given area at a particular interval of or a specific interval of time। तो पॉपुलेशन एक ऐसा ग्रुप होता है इंडिविजुअल्स का, लेकिन दे आर ऑफ सेम स्पीशीज़, जो एक किसी खास एरिया में रहते हैं, किसी खास पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम या स्पेसिफिक इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में। और पॉपुलेशन जो होती है इट इज सेल्फ रेगुलेटिंग सिस्टम, बिकॉज इट मेंटेन्स इट्स we can say it maintains itself, we can say itself, and it regulates itself, so it is self regulating। और इसके अंदर जो सेल्फ रेगुलेशन है डेट हेल्प्स इन मेंटेनिंग द स्टेबिलिटी इन द इकोसिस्टम। और जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं एक पॉपुलेशन के, जैसे पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी, बर्थ रेट, डेथ रेट्स, एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, or growth forms, they are the functions of the whole group, and these are the population, these are the characteristics of the whole population, but not of the individual members. यानी although the individual members जो उसके अंदर होते हैं, they die, they born, but they do not possess birth rates or death rates, because these are the characteristics of a whole population. So the characteristics possessed by a population are those characteristics which are the functions of the whole group and not of the individual members. और इसके अलावा जो population होती है, it is not static, but it changes continuously, so it is dynamic, or we can say their populations are dynamic entities, because they are in a state of flux, they are in a state of change, they continuously change, their characteristics continuously undergo changes. So populations जो होते हैं, they must adjust to their environment like individuals, although their environmental relations are far more complex. Populations also जो होते हैं, populations भी जो होते हैं, they also adjust to their environment like the individuals of a species adjust to an environment, although their interactions with the environment, their relations, environmental relations are more complex. और जो populations होती हैं किसी area की, they are subdivided into local populations or groups known as demes. और deem क्या होता है और local population क्या होती है? These are the groups of interbreeding organisms which are the smallest collective unit of a plant or animal population. And a deem can be defined as a group of interbreeding organisms, and it is the smallest collective unit of a plant or an animal population. Or ecologists have generally recognized two types of populations. Number first, they are known as monospecific populations. Monospecific populations वो populations होती हैं in which the population of individuals of only one species, and which is the mono means one, single, specific in species. It is a population of the individuals of only one species. और mixed or polyspecific populations वो होते हैं where the population of individuals of more than one species are present. But generally ecologists जो होते हैं, they refer this polyspecific populations as a community. It is defined as by another term that we call as community. तो term population सिर्फ monospecific population के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है. Although some ecologists recognize that they are two different types of populations, but most of the ecologists they refer monospecific populations as they refer term population for monospecific populations and term community for polyspecific populations. उसके बाद है community. तो एक ecological community या biotic community होती है, it is an assemblage of species that has the potential of interactions. यानी यहाँ अभी हमने देखा कि जो polyspecific populations होती हैं, that is community. That means जो ecological community होती है, it is actually the assemblage of polyspecific populations. यानी जहाँ where there are the individuals, where there are there is the assemblage of different populations that have the potential of interaction, that can interbreed and that can interact among each other, or we can say they have some interactions with each other. So a community can be defined as an interactive assemblage of species occurring together within a geographical area, a set of species whose ecological function and dynamics are in some way interdependent. यानी community जो होती है, it is an interactive, एक ऐसी assemblage होती है different species का, which are in interaction with each other and which live within a particular geographic area. और जो इनके अंदर interactions होती है, these interactions are, they are, we can say, they are visible interactions, or these interactions include both competitive interactions as well as the feeding relationships, such as जहाँ पे हम देखते हैं जो reliance of plants on animals for pollination, interactions such as seed dispersal of animals on plants for meeting habitat requirements. So these are some they possess those interactions, those relationships which are we can say which we can see, or which are obvious and those which are and these interactions are both competitive as well as feeding relations. So जो communities होती हैं, communities consist of few, maybe small, consisting of few species of populations in a small space, or they may be communities may be large, comprising of several populations or several species of populations in a large area. और जो biotic community होते हैं, it also exhibits some characteristics, and there are some community characteristics such as diversity, community density, dominance, composition and stratification. So यहाँ पे हम अगर हम इसको समराइज करना चाहें तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो स्पीशीज़ होती है ये एक ऐसा ग्रुप है इंडिविजुअल्स का, डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल्स का, which are similar in characteristics and which can interact among themselves and can reproduce or they can interbreed, they are capable of interbreeding among themselves and produce the offsprings of same kind. तो population होती है a group of individuals of the same species which live in a particular area or a region at a particular interval of time, or it is a monospecific, we can say, population, or the term population is used for those populations which are monospecific, and where the individuals of only one species live together in a particular region or area. और community जो होते हैं, it is an assemblage or interactive assemblage of polyspecific populations which live together in a particular geographical area, having some interactions which are overt or which are visible, and those interactions may be competitive as well as the cooperative interactions. So that was about concept of species, populations and communities. Hope you have understood. Thank you.